Ner malaken yam biya kamal kanwar online TV channel kajan gwas me bana ruach me bana jeling raj baling gwas me raj mishala de Peter Lambot den ka kwi SSPDF te cha captain tere wisha kawalang gwase chigrudan barrai wicha ka Nasser te ke bondien mangot re wicha kawalang cerkeme cha tanin cha nang rai wiki juba anta me chala do kene chigren link commissioner dungu lanko ba ne to ba kana ala SSPDF force kan kono ni amre rajame ko be jore biaje link jowdana chalat so kan kono ni am gor jano der subscribe ko de notification be alde je twan mi jinam jidit kan online TV channel bu kon lerame bu kon chu link do bodana chano ngaje lianga rojan chalat Peter Lambo tan wale ke kwi SSPDF entere which kolang kanti gwade dan ka korgame chagat chaga nagre we kanasr ngayen no tiang chikirma yadi chicken class bom chicken jakare nyal cha ne ri chobjen dangro wide kel chaga nagre we kanasr en wala baka shangdar chicken anyo ko mu kan ga bomba ka ngoda ba kan ne ko la gan wori ngore we ki juba ngot kan lat kanu SSPDF ba kan nangre we cha ka juba tinte ka kolang ka tin kon te kanasr chi diere kan chicken condemn ne ga dan chala self ke ma yadit wona kan ka wen go ku kan please ramadan la kirma yadit chicken diere ka ting nor manana chibat en tiang re we kanasa so chana jore chana million ka dobo dan en shalat keje en gwawo biya jacce jen ka manana shalat
Well, thank you very much. I want to appreciate the leadership of Wulang County in Juba here and also in the county headquarters for working very hard to protect our comrades who were dislodged from Nasser. We have more than 100 service members of SSPDF that are still in Wulang County. Today is the first evacuation from Wulang directly. They have come here today, and other flights will be going to bring the remaining members of our comrades. Last Sunday, which was I think the 5th of March, no, I think 9th of March or 10th of March, 4 wounded comrades were in Wulang County. They were evacuated by ICRC, and we want to thank them for the work they have done. Since their stay in Wulang, we have never slept for the last 2 weeks. We have been coordinating with our communities, with our chiefs and the leaders of the youth and women, asking them to protect our comrades. And we were the ones sending food from here to the various locations where our comrades were. And we'll continue to do that until the last soldier is brought to Juba. On behalf of our community and the SPLM, we want to say thank you to the leaders who have participated, the leaders of White Army in Wulang County, the leaders, the chiefs, the commissioner, and all who are involved in this. We want to say thank you also to SSPDF and all their sectors for the help that they have extended. We thank everyone, including Upper Nile government, that has also participated in helping us to evacuate these people. So South Sudan is one country, South Sudan is one nation, South Sudan is under one president, and we are one people under one government. So there's no reason for us to kill ourselves. Our people have come, and let us continue to pray for the rest and also pray for the peace in our country to come into existence. Thank you very much.
Gwai shit kame chali nga jo me kamen chala de ram mene mene tin jene chala do kane te konte la kon la jaja ka de ni kere wecha ko lang la de ni SSPDF te konte chiro bar re we kanasar and chiro mle ngena mo telle mi chala te ke kwiri kamana na chito re we kanasar gwad mi shane jandang ra wi de kel cha nak ten la nuére ke la no ba de che dung dun kirma yadi la SSPDF force ba janangre which ka juba so telaramichi condemn and ta dana chana na ka jaman chana cha ka bom ko jaga cluster bomb ka boken karenyal ku kon ben wo warme ba bogen kirma yadi wala ngumbro da lare which in winemi winden content cha target kanore so and kirma yadi use a gun weren content kula tekre kuma ka ko bi kanwar ba kul na ka tedien so na me bej ka jas lo aj mi ditel long shirgamen ci alin ga jowde kene ne dum chunkel ga kirma yadi chop kan ne to kor re wicha ko lankanti kene de konte ka spelling party so lat kana par ne shi dere kan ga tega dana dong de nuer de ga tega je so na me just watch she mo go jen pek just ka watch so ajen nan chalinga na mo maybe kana ko nang wal kan ga manang and then nan ba ko jo you know ngada jen go ka jen gwasa be kirma yadi taramba pale ka kane ko la nuer ai de ti kwide ke ji ti kwide as long as the jinwar ba je mo keriak so na mo ngada je che to ka 2013 ne taram chapel right now ngula different on ka tai dan ga ta tamaka anyok jira mo kwal nang ne ko okay so be jamat sanwe han ba ko nyal ba de dial ko lar ko ba ku betema